5 counties, Thirikari being among them. The money be channeled to the county governments, and then we do the accounting the normal way. We'll be, I think, more responsible, faster, because we are always in this building every time we wake up here in the morning.
And as the chair of the health sector, and equally the PS taking charge of this region, I am here to listen to the issues that are coming from the ground. There is what we want to do for the people, but there's what the people want.
We would like government to prioritize projects that are ongoing, projects that have consumed taxpayers' money but have not realized any value for the taxpayers, and therefore they have no value at all. They should be given first priority to ensure that the Mwananchi after completion.
We are moving to plan, and we are also planning for the budgetary allocations. What should we prioritize? Should we prioritizing health? The other day, having come from health, I will not fail to say that we already have a plan, and we have the President has assented to the 4 bills, which are now already acting as their laws, because we want to see the people of this country enjoying their life